Hey everyone, welcome back to another video where I'll be talking about the 10x income system by Tabby D and why it's so different from a bunch of other affiliate programs out there. Okay, first of all, as you all might already know, the 10x income system is an affiliate program by Tabby D. And once you are promoting this program, you will be able to leverage the traffic that Tabby D provides in her various packages because she is a Google uh, Ads expert. You will be leveraging her traffic that she is bringing to you to promote so you can get some quick results. And it's been working for most of the members who are actually in this group so far. The 10x income system is a pretty new affiliate program. It's only been out for a few days. I've actually am only a few days old myself, so it's definitely blowing up right now. And as you can see, there is only 839 members on here, which isn't much at all. And that's actually a good thing because it means the income system is very unsaturated at this point, which means you will have way less competition to go up against, guys, which is also very huge. So yes, to leverage TabbyD's traffic packages is an option. You will need to pay for some of those um, packages once you get into the program, or you can just promote it organically, like I am going to do. I actually can't promote at the moment because I'm still waiting for my affiliate link to come in, which should take up to 72 hours. But looks like we're having some technical difficulties inside the program. But that's okay because the tech support is being very nice about it and very professional. So things should be sorted out fairly shortly. But yes, there's basically two ways to promote um, the 10x income system. You can do it organically or through Tabby D's traffic packages that she's providing. Um, so she's been in the online business area for a few years now and is pretty well known and respected. Has already helped thousands and thousands of people before she created this 10x income system. And she is so confident that this will work for her members that she's actually guaranteeing a 365-day money back guarantee for whoever purchases, guys, which is huge. So you basically have nothing to lose if this is something you want to try out, guys. So that's definitely a plus in my book. So that's gonna kind of wrap it up for today's video, guys. I wanted to keep it nice and short and sweet and to the point. So I will be providing more content like this in the future, guys. I hope you got some value um, out of everything that I've been saying so far. And if you have, please leave a like and a nice comment below. And subscribe to my channel for future comment. Okay, guys? See you next time.